everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is on pervasive computing, also known as ubiquitous computing. Pervasive computing refers to adding computational capabilities, usually in the form of sensors, into everyday objects with the goal of making them smart. The term pervasive refers to existing everywhere. This minimizes the interactions with desktop computers and focuses on connecting all the devices through a network, integrating computation into the environment in a way that is aware of the user's presence and responsive to needs, as well as being accessible via natural interaction rather than a screen and a keyboard. We can say the following four are the basics of pervasive computing, or the basic elements of pervasive computing: ubiquitous access, context awareness, intelligence, and natural interaction. If you want to find out a little bit more about these four, don't forget to check out the blog post. Pervasive computing is possible through a combination of technologies, such as internet capabilities, voice recognition, networking, artificial intelligence, and wireless computing. But how does all of this relate to UX, UI? Well, you want people to be able to interact with technology and navigate through it in a more natural way than what is happening nowadays. With devices being able to replace basically every appliance, the way consumers interact with each of these should be studied and mimicked or modified depending on needs and findings in order to provide a seamless experience. And on top of this, having technology everywhere that remembers and learns about the user's behavior can raise privacy issues, security concerns, and above everything, ethical concerns, which must be taken into account. So hopefully this video helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.